What's up everyone, welcome to another Python 3 basics video. In this video I'll be showing you about list and tuples in Python 3. So according to my knowledge, list can be showed as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this can be showed as a list, and a tuple can be shown as in square brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any numbers or characters which you want to take. It's not only limited to integers, it can be other characters, name, someone's address, etc. Any character, value, integer, decimal, float, etc. So in this video I'll be telling you about various manipulations and list techniques which you can perform in Python 3. So these are the various list numbers which I've taken as an example. This is the list and this is the tuple. Let me just clear it out. This is list and this is tuples. So there are various indexing for each and every number in this values. So as I can say, the position of 1 in y is 0. It starts from either it is list or tuples. The position of this can be defined in index values, and it always starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. So to find, let's take an example of x, and comparing both list and tuples, they are almost same. The difference is only that they are in square brackets and curly brackets, circular brackets. List can be also shown as like this. This is tuples and this is list. So the difference is only that the brackets, nothing much. So let me show you. Take the example of x and the number of values in it. I'll be showing the indexing position of each and every value of those numbers. So print x, and let me take the value of 3 over here. So to print that value 3 in the terminal output, the value of index position of 3 is 0, 1 and 2. So print over here 2, close, and let's see what happens. Save and run. So as you can see, the index position of in x 2 is defined for 3, and now take for y. Let me consider it as 4. So I want to print 4 in the output. So the index position of 4 in the y tuple is 0, 1, 2 and 3. So print over here 3. Save and run. So as you can see, for x and this is for y. So this is basic list and tuples in Python 3, and the manipulations will be shown in the next video. Just to clarify that this is list and tuples in Python. That's it, and thanks for watching this video, guys.